with spellbinding stuff. Moves the ball so neatly and quickly. Ring wizardry the way he does that. Shot was blocked in the end.
Sahur bukan sahur ya. Hai Kak Indah. Pagi Ci, pagi juga.
Manchester United and Northern Ireland, he could do that. Shift his balance in a tight
Nonton
space.
bola, ya. Iya, sumpah. Info skor sih. By the way guys, ini aku nonton yang kalian pernah nonton juga gak sih? Ini aku nonton Barca versus Madrid, asik.
Kunde on the corner from Pedri. Almost tries to hold it up. Free kick Barcelona. Yeah, but the home side
Aku nonton Liverpool harga diri. Maksudnya harga diri? Oh, Atletico Madrid. Oh, sorry. Gak on cam sih. Enggak ah, kita suara-suara aja. Jadi Cisun dukung siapa sih? Kan aku udah bilang aku belum bisa menentukan aku dukung siapa. Aku bilang di PM deh, aku belum bisa menentukan aku dukung siapa, tapi aku mau nonton dulu. Yellow card. Coba aku nggak ngeliat lagi tadi kenapa yellow card. Pertama kali aku melihat yellow card. Aku belum tahu aku dukung siapa, tapi aku mau memantau dulu aja ya selama beberapa hari ini kali aku mau memantau. Liverpool lagi kalah. Emang berapa skornya? Info skor. Udah coba aku kasih pilihan di DM. Aku udah baca pilihan-pilihan dari DM itu, tapi aku tetap harus melihat secara langsung. Ini mainnya udah 34 menit ya. Atletico Madrid beda sama Real Madrid. Oke, noted ya teman-teman. Berarti ini apa nih ngomongnya? By the way, maaf ya kalau aku agak mampet-mampet dikit. Ngomongnya Atletico Madrid atau ATM. Atletico. ATM. Parah banget supaya ngomong Madrid KW. Kebantai itu mah ATM. Ini belum sih di sini sih. Ntar kita lihat ya. Tersengkat guys. Reunian kita. Terakhir ketemu kapan nih? Ada pemain ganteng yang kamu suka gak? Jujur aku juga mau sambil cari pemain-pemainnya karena aku belum kepoin guys. Coba kita kepoin dulu ya. Siapa pemain hari ini? Tadi aku udah lihat kayak perkiraan line up gitu, ternyata lucu banget deh. Kalau mau main juga ada kayak perkiraan line up gitu di sini. Dominic Szoboszlai. Itu pemain apa tuh? Coba aku cari ya. Bersin dikit. Udah nggak apa-apa lah guys kalau suara doang. Aku pengen kepoin biografinya pemain-pemain. Debutnya 2017. Udah lama juga dong. Udah 10 tahun guys. Wow. Banyak banget guys followersnya guys, 5 juta.
Come out. Such confidence.
Boleh begadang asal timnya jago.
Rashford.
Nuno Mendes ganteng loh.
After the ball had gone, Yamal. So the force in Rashford has stayed down.
Coba kita cari ya.
The chips too long for Lewandowski. Yeah, too wide men. Taking the fight to Athletic. Rashford and Yamal again.
Kelahiran 2002 guys, beda setahun sama aku ya. Benjamin Sesko dari mana lagi guys?
Popped his knee.
MU. Oh my god, dia mukanya kayak ada Indo-Indonya gitu. Maaf Asbun. Seru banget sih Osi. Menaruh minat pada sepak bola. Rela begadang demi
Okay.
nobar sepak bola.
Tell him to calm down.
Aku tadi sampai ini loh guys, sampai berlangganan loh guys biar bisa nonton streaming. Mana sih tadi tontonannya kok hilang?
He put him on the shin. He did.
Mana videonya hilang?
I mean, he's boxed in there. He just need to make that kind of
Jujur
challenge.
mana video nontonannya, cuma ada suara doang.
His entire career, such an aggressive midfielder.
Kayak heboh banget gitu ya kalau nonton bola tuh, kayak suaranya tuh heboh banget. Oh my god, ada ininya juga guys.
First thing will be
Ada live chatnya juga guys.
Quinde. Yamal again. Gets people on their feet. Will he be a superstar this summer for Spain? Pedri. And then on again by Martin. Cancelo takes extra step wide, forces the corner. They're squeezing on the pressure, Alan. Yeah, the ball keeps
Ntar guys,
coming
ini
back.
error nih, aku nggak bisa ngeliat nontonannya nih.
I'll be eager to hear that half-time whistle.
Iya sih, kocak nggak ada
Sense.
tontonannya. Oke, kita coba lagi ya. Langsung hening gitu loh kalau nggak ada. Guys, aku nggak bisa nonton lagi sumpah. Kayak error gitu. Jadi dia tulisannya udah aku akses di device lain. Ngaku siapa yang pakai account aku. Aku coba restart dulu deh. Bukan WTB sumpah. Kalian parah banget. Aku tadi sampai beli pakai email kampus aku guys, biar aku bisa berlangganan paket mahasiswa. Parah emang, zolim. Kalian kan tahu kan kalau paket mahasiswa kan banyak yang lebih apa namanya, lebih versi light gitu lah. Bet diajak nonton gak Ci? Enggak, dia tidur guys. Aku belum gangguin dia lagi hari ini. Kurang full hari aku. Sarutin masih berlanjut kayak ini. Bedanya nggak makan, bedanya nobar. Bangunin Ebet, temenin main bola. Dia sekolah besok guys. Aku bisa dimarahin mama aku nih kalau aku bangunin. Gak lucu banget kalau nggak bisa nobar karena beneran masih nggak bisa guys. Aku padahal lagi di Microsoft. Mana dia? Stop nggak kata aku? Stop nggak? Susah juga nonton bola, dramanya banyak. Sumpah guys, kenapa gak bisa sih? Guys, tadinya tuh aku ngecek kan, besok ada apa ya? Maksudnya ada match apa ya? Tapi kok nggak ada ya besok? Emang nggak setiap hari gitu kan? Kayak nggak ada yang seru gitu loh besok. Ih, kemana sih? Masa nggak bisa nonton sih? Lah. Sumpah guys, aku coba nonton yang Liverpool ya, mana tahu bisa. Loh bisa guys kalau aku nonton yang kalau aku nonton yang PSG sama Liverpool bisa. Oh iya, padahal dia ada di TV juga ya. Aku tadi tuh lihat dia malah di TV guys, kalau yang ini guys. Padahal sama-sama di web nonton yang sama. Tapi ini seru nih baca live komennya nih. Ini ya komen yang buat yang mana ya? Barca kurang setoran. Ini yang mana sih? Ini yang tapi ini yang ini Liverpool. Kalau yang PSG ini apa ya guys kepanjangannya ya? Atletico ngegolin Sin. Tidak, aku tidak lihat sumpah. Padahal aku tadi mau lihat guys kalau ada ngegolin gitu. Paris Saint-Germain. Oke. Siapa pemain terbaik di Paris Saint? Oh, siapa tadi yang ngegolin guys? Ini kan udah gol 1 nih. Siapa yang ngegolin tadi? Gimana cara baca namanya guys? Aku takut salah. Bambang Pamungkas. Bisa ada suaranya nggak sih? Pengen aku keluarin gitu loh. Aku takut aku salah nyebutnya sumpah. Sorry banget kalau salah. Due. Apa sih kok UE? Sumpah lucu banget. Ekspresif sekali mukanya ya. Semua pemain bola tuh ekspresif gitu ya. Dia aku mau cari biografinya. Enggak ada data ininya, data biografinya dia. Apa dia sangat-sangat personal? Dia lahir 2005 guys. Demi apa sih 2005? Lebih muda dari aku. Hah? Dia wonder kid. Asik. You mah tua parah sumpah. Gak ngaca. Muka di sana mah boros-boros. Beda tipe kali ya. Ini aku kayaknya Asik Bang Due. Lah kok ini udah ya sih? Iklan. Udah jeda ya guys, 15 menit ya? Kapan guys? Berapa lama guys ininya break time-nya? 15 menit ya? Oke, gak apa-apa 15 menit. Jam 3 mulai lagi. Baik, kita tunggu sampai jam 3. Aku mau nonton yang tadi juga loh guys, tapi kenapa gak bisa ya kalau aku nonton yang tadi ya? Kita nonton drama dulu. Seorang pembunuh berantai main hakim sendiri di Hong Kong meninggalkan pemberitahuan kematian yang mengerikan, mendorong polisi untuk meluncurkan satuan tugas khusus. Asmara Gen Z. Terus ada Kak Eli. Berarti kalau misalnya satu match lagi break, match yang lain juga lagi break juga ya? Karena sama gak mulainya? Ini bisa nih guys, udah bisa nih guys aku nonton yang Barca. Tapi ini semua mereka main live kan? Kalian jangan saling meledek. Tuh orang muncul. Iya tapi beda negara. Ada yang di Barcelona kan tadi kan, Barkanya. Dia tuan rumah ya berarti. Yah, tuan rumah kok kegolan. Oke guys, aku masih bisa nih nonton yang ini. Ini lagi belum break nih. Yang Barca sama ATM. Bentar lagi ya. Oke. Udah break gue itu highlight sekali. Masih. Jujur perbedaan tingginya tadi jauh banget. Gini ya rasanya melihat orang yang size yang berbeda. But here at half time, they trail Atletico Madrid by 1-0. Tinggi mereka mah rata-rata 180-an. Wow. Mirip dong sama kalian. Sumpah ya ini lagi nontonnya kayak mereka lagi keluar dari lapangan gitu. Seru banget guys. Aku kan pernah Off Air Indonesia Arena kan ngelewatin kayak gini juga loh. Berasa jadi atlet. Waktu itu kalau nggak salah atlet volley ya. TMI, betul. Iya break juga guys. Aduh. Kita bacain komen aja deh. Semenjak ada VAR, Decul tidak pernah juara. Kasian Decul puasa lagi. Decul itu kepanjangannya Dedek Cules kan, aku tadi udah tahu. Karena katanya fansnya banyakan bocil. Aku gak ngeledek siapa-siapa ya guys ya. Ini murni nonton aja ya. Asik, nantilah ledek-ledekannya, belum waktunya. Nangis dulu. Jamal Manyun aja. Emang boleh serosting gitu ya? Tadi yang dapat kartu kuning Koke ya namanya. Katanya Madrid jangan bayar wasit. Prit. Next dukung tim setan merah dari Inggris itu Ci. Aku tuh waktu itu kan pas trainee kan aku pernah pakai baju ini kan, jersey MU kan. Aku tuh nggak ngerti guys. Terus abis itu aku habis Aita kata waktu itu. Terus tiba-tiba kok rame banget. Ramenya pada komentarin kalau aku pakai jersey MU. Aku nggak ngerti karena aku nggak tahu waktu itu MU itu kenapa. Terus kayak ternyata emang segala sesuatu tentang MU pasti rame. Yang sopan Sin King MU. Emang iya? Emang begitu? Kenapa nyebutnya King MU guys? Ini aku nanya beneran ya guys ya. Jangan pakai king sin tuh. Berbeda loh kalian maunya. Setiap lihat MU pasti ketawa. Guys, apakah 5 menit lagi akan mulai lagi kita permainannya? King itu candaan buat klub lawak, Sin. Jadi kalau misalkan cupu, berarti malah panggilannya King gitu. Beneran jago, Sin. Aku belum nonton, nanti aku nonton ya. Sumpah udah lama banget kayak nggak pernah nonton match-match gini. Demi apa Kirana Decul? Aku udah lihat loh muka kamu yang di mantan kampus aku. Yang terpampang besar itu. Di baliho besar. Jujur aku bisa ke situ lagi loh. Aku bisa nyamperin kampus aku lagi. Barca kebobolan sih. Yang tadi kan? Kan belum mulai lagi kan ya? Nggak usah dilihat, udah terlanjur kelihatan lagi. Kirim ke grup Gen 11 sih. Lihat nih guys. Keren banget nih alumni kita nih, dipajang lah fotonya. Selamat pagi, Sin. Pagi Kak Raffi. Kocak asli, Sunip cantik. Udah kartu merah ke bawah pula, malas. Bentar lagi tidur ya. Pilden jamnya nanti pagi. Jam berapa tuh? Nggak sahur sih. Iya juga, dipikir-pikir ini bener-bener waktu sahur guys. Ini jam sahur, sumpah kita bisa makan sekarang. Prediksi skor, Sin. Prediksi skor ya. Kalau misalkan yang normal gitu kan 2-1 ya. Mungkin segitu kali ya. Atau 3-1. Jujur kata namanya pembaik kok gitu sih ketikannya. Siap-siap King Ipul comeback. Bisa 8-2 sih. Jadi kamu lebih memilih Karoni Barcelona. Gak tahu ya guys, aku belum berpihak kepada siapa-siapa. Hai Papa Benji, makasih ya udah dukung Liverpool. Jangan bahas lagi di 82. Kalian tuh kok ada kelas-kelasnya gitu sih di sini di aku punya. Kalian bisa lihat nggak kelas-kelasnya? Ini ada kelas 13, kelas 26 tuh kah hus. Ada yang kelas 7. Itu kelas apa maksudnya ya? Kenapa bisa beda-beda gitu? Levelnya ya, keren banget sih yang levelnya tinggi. Pasti ini sering ngasih bola disco. Guys, ini udah mulai lagi belum? Coba kabarin aku.
as a professional with his beloved boyhood
Ini
club.
boleh gak sih guys?
Despite rotation and injury, Grealish has still featured in 5 UCL matches for a City side who have
UCL
progressed through
matches.
to the last 8. Atletico Madrid visit Manchester next, just 3 weeks after eliminating City's crosstown rivals United at Old Trafford. But Pep Guardiola's side look a far tougher challenge on what is a 5th successive.
Jadi Karbit aja menang didukung. Kalian kok pada begadang juga sih guys? Kalian emang selalu begadang kalau ada match gitu? Selalu nontonin nih sampai malam-malam gitu nih? Nunggu kamu, makasih ya. Gara-gara aku lah, terima kasih. Walaupun udah galau-galau akhirnya nonton juga.
Welcome to Everton football at its highest level. It is the CAF Champions League final. The ultimate goal to go to conquer.
Sambil makan kacang, bener lagi aku pengen makan sukro. Aku tadi ambil sukro di kantor. Makan ah. Ya guys, jadi kemarin aku juga sumpah kemarin aku minum pop ice guys malam-malam guys karena aku ngambil di kantor. Pop ice lah, sukro lah, semuanya aku makanin. Guys, udah mulai lagi belum sih? Kok nggak mulai-mulai sih? Pop ice topping sukro nggak gitu. Udah cobain belum pop ice yang Tutti Frutti Bubble Gum, my favorite. Karena lucu banget, warnanya pink, terus enak juga. Susah ya bukanya. Aku pernah gunting nih. Ini sukro yang serenceng banyak itu loh guys, yang kecil-kecil gitu. Serenceng, iya. Aku pengen pecahin yang meledak gitu lah guys. Tahu gak sih yang dimeledakin gitu snacknya? Tapi takut mental. Takut kemana-mana. Sukronya takut terbang. Ada yang mau kopi nggak? Oh iya, tadi aku mau siapin kopi tau guys. Aku lupa lagi.
Watch us rise. That is a phenomenal move. Come with us. The future is us. This is F1 Academy 2026.
Udah guys, akhirnya aku pengen ganti aja guys biar cepet. Soalnya nggak aku lupa. By the way, aku lagi makan yang nasi jagung bakar.
The perfect atmosphere to celebrate.
Udah mau mulai tuh PSG. Oke.
Goals that echo forever.
Ini nonton yang mulai duluan aja.
And football jerseys that are worn once again. A legacy that is inherited.
Udah mulai.
That is felt and that we're about to relive. Welcome to La Liga Retro Match Day. The legacy lives on.
Enak nasi jagung bakar. Oke, udah mulai lagi, mantap.
Ini bukan roti biasa.
Roti. Nonton Barca apa PSG? Yang duluan mulai. PSG dulu.
Both hit Marmadashvili when both might have hit the net. So this will be the now traditional Paris Saint-Germain kick-off as the second half gets underway.
Lucu banget sumpah.
Little wager on the time.
Jangan soalnya kita nggak sedekat itu. Beda tim ya bang.
It's not true.
Mantap. Ada yang namanya Hakimi.
Place in the semi-finals of the Champions League. The prize
Bang
is so
Hakimi.
big.
Let's go lempar. Bang Joao Neves.
Joao Neves.
Nopungnya tinggi banget ya 87.
Paris Saint-Germain. Marquinhos, I think, wanted
Ganteng
that to
itu,
go
Ci.
out of play.
Kalian nontonin muka pemainnya ya?
Which he did. For Paris, who are now 13 consecutive seasons reaching the round of 16 or better. In the final of 2020, of course, by Bayern Munich, and then in
Yang cewek biasa suka pemain ganteng.
crashing into last season in the final. Joe Gomez with another Liverpool long throw. Launched in. Kanate came.
Itu bukannya yang dewasa. Asik tau banget.
To the penalty area where Marquinhos clears. Szoboszlai to Frimpong, and Frimpong sure-footed.
Brain Bumu ganteng banget. Ganteng parah menurutku. Emang standar gantengmu apa?
Van Dijk a little bit annoyed that Ekitike
Nonton bola banget nih sambil makan
tried to get
kacang.
onto his flicked header.
You can see the frustration, couldn't you? Pointing to Ekitike saying, you gamble, you know that I'll win that header. He doesn't, he's just a little bit flat-footed there.
Jujur jadi wasit capek juga ya.
Pacho for
Lari-lari mulu.
Kvaratskhelia.
Seri nomor 7 PSG sih. Emang kenapa? Coba dicari ya.
That's a decent ball from Kanate. Florian Wirtz is onside here, and he's dinked it inside to Szoboszlai. On it goes to Ekitike.
Mbappe maksudnya.
Well, he's off target in the end, but that showed a little bit of promise for Liverpool.
It really did. It was a lovely ball from Kanate there. The run of Birch, you could see
Sering
Paris'
mendengarnya.
back line was quite high, and Birch just managed to get in behind. And when it falls to Ekitike on the edge of the box, you just think, curl that. That's what you're looking for, the curl into
Bang
that far corner.
Ekitike.
Very promising.
Itu nopuk aku kalau jadi pemain sepak bola guys, 22.
First half, but it is just about making those opportunities count.
Kvaratskhelia. Susah banget namanya guys.
Back for Liverpool.
Langsung ketemu.
Oh, neatly done.
Mukanya seperti pangeran-pangeran di ini deh. Pangeran-pangeran di film-film gitu. Coba spell ini. Gak bisa bacanya, aku takut salah. Orang Georgia dia. Wow. Berarti bukan dari negara asal ininya.
Vitinha. Marquinhos.
Negara asal timnya.
Nuno Mendes now. Like Kvaratskhelia, Nuno Mendes would miss the second leg of this quarter-final if he were to pick up a yellow card. Liverpool have Van Dijk and Gravenberch in
Lihat aku mau buka lagi sukroknya.
on the pitch.
Karena tadi dikit banget, cuma satu doang.
Jones, should he come on, will be in that.
Satu ranjang kecil. Komen yang di sini kocak sumpah, tendangan si Madun. Dulu aku nonton itu tendangan si Madun. Ada yang nanya, kita tuh apaan sih?
This is Zaya Emery. Alexis McAllister. Szoboszlai was caught amongst the Parisian legs, and here is Vitinha.
Aku goalkeeper terbaik dunia, iya kan? Setuju. Lihat gak sih aku main sama Anin? Ini pak guys, jago banget guys. Aku udah ngegolin dari tengah kaki dia. Kebablasan cuma kocak. Terus kayak aku tuh sering main di deket gawang dia gak sih? Kalau pas deket gawang aku kayak aku cuman mendefense. Asik. Kayak main Italia katanya. Kalau udah deket gawang lawan langsung tendang.
Allow Paris to win the ball back quite easily, and that's because of a misplaced pass or an overhit pass like then.
Ekitike kalau dibalik tetap Ekitike bacanya. Fakta menarik boleh. Kalian kiper juara 1 di kampung Ki. Kamu maksudnya? Guys, sumpah. Tersengkat terus jatuh. Digagalkan. Tendang lagi sampai ke enggak ke tengah lapangan sih. Dipasin ke temennya. Wow. Out guys, out sampai ke kursi penonton.
Chalked up now 201 games for Paris Saint-Germain.
Nembak buruk namanya guys.
Real Madrid, Borussia Dortmund, Inter Milan.
Tendangan jumpa fans. Banyak namanya sih. Boleh nyampe GBK. Nyampe teater dong itu.
Overlapping Nuno Mendes, Dembele, and another chance has gone missing. Another really good chance has gone missing for Paris Saint-Germain.
Oh, he has to score. Really poor from McAllister. I'm not even sure what he was trying to do there, and it breaks.
Oh my god, kalian bakal gol.
Such a special play.
Guys, itu hampir, sumpah, lumayan hampir.
Well over the bar. Brilliant from Paris. Apart from the finish, McAllister will be so disappointed, but happy at the same time.
He'll be massively relieved. I don't know what he was thinking of.
I don't.
And Dembele now has missed 2 really good chances. Doué has missed 1.
Buset, tendangan apa tuh? Tendangan Ballon d'Or.
Ekitike looks as if he's offside here. Safanov uses
Komennya ini, komen di live chatnya.
Can Liverpool get onto this? They can't. Marquinhos away, and now the flag goes up.
Jagoan Anin daripada Dembele. Berarti aku bisa ngalahin dong.
Well, have a look at that. Yes, he's onside.
Yeah, it's very tight. I think he was onside. That's what the goalkeeper does, Safanov. He knows that his
menit berapa? Kayak nggak ada menitnya gitu, tapi aku tuh lumayan live sih. Palingan kayak ketinggalan 10 detik gitu. Katanya Mbappe masukin cepat. Emang lagi belum dimasukin ini Mbappe? Menit 54 guys. Di Madrid. Iya, bukan di sini ya. Berarti ini komennya kayak ngegabung gitu ya, antara match 1 dan match 2. Atau enggak? Oh, itu Asbun aja. Oke deh. Udah sok komen-komen Asbun. Coba lucu banget mereka. Kayak bersama-sama stretching di pinggir lapangan. Siap-siap itu mau masuk. pemain pengganti. Pemain pengganti sih. Itu contohnya apa guys? Pemain cadangan.
Ekitike will argue here he's being held. That's a lovely back heel into Florian Wirtz. Alexis McAllister. Frimpong, difficult height. He's dealt with it pretty well. Red shirts in the middle here. Safanov with a punch which wasn't the greatest of his career. Gravenberg for Soboslai. Soboslai manages to hook across in. Did well to do so actually. But Safanov is there.
Ekitike does so well initially. Really good centre forward play, holding the ball up at times. He has been isolated. He's got to wait for players to come into him, and he did that so well there, created a chance for them.
That's a foul on João Neves. Quickly taken. Mamardashvili with starting position. 45th game this season then, Zaire Emery has started. Hakimi, Marquinhos. Well, 33 minutes to go and Luis Enrique will be in his technical area thinking this shouldn't be 1-0 still.
Oh, well, they've had 3, would you say, 4 very big opportunities.
Kata Anin adikmu akan live SR 10 jam, gas.
Find the back of the net.
Biarkan dia SR 10 jam, guys.
There's still game on.
Enak banget tuh kayaknya ngambil sen. Makanya ngambil juga.
Pacho. Dembele. Gomez came out to meet him and has done well. Joe Gomez advancing purposefully for Liverpool. Finding Hugo Ekitike.
Daripada ngambil nggak habis-habis ya. Karena nambah lagi.
McAllister. Kirkes. Lots of red shirts forward here. 6 or 7 of them. Joe Gomez.
Dia tuh lagi mau ngalah.
McAllister. Liverpool are going to be pragmatic and patient. McAllister. McAllister. Is he brought down?
Tersengkat, guys. Ditangkap oleh kiper. Oh my god, mereka ekspresif banget sampai keluyuran-keluyuran di rumput.
I'm surprised as well. I do think there's a touch on him.
Lebih tepatnya mereka sangat gigih.
He gets his foot stood on. You just think, why would he go down? He's in a great position.
Yeah, he's in the Soboslai position.
Yeah.
If that free kick had been given.
Tackle wah nyebutnya.
Here is McAllister. A bit more intense suddenly from Liverpool. Frimpong's ball in. Wirtz. McAllister charged down by William Pacho. And breaking away to Kvaratskhelia.
Bener kata Om Surya, wasit ya dibayar dong. Kalau nggak dibayar nggak mau kerja, bang.
Joe Gomez and then Ibrahima Konate carrying the ball deep into Paris territory.
Yeah, you mentioned it. Liverpool certainly having their best spell of the game. They were looking for a handball there, but you can't give it for that, can you? Hits Pacho's elbow, but he's turning round when it hits him. But certainly committing players forward will suit Paris. That's the only problem. But they're certainly having a good spell, Liverpool, at the moment.
Vast majority of Ibrahima Konate's senior playing career outside his home country of France. Just played 13 times for Sochaux very early on in his career before going to Germany with Leipzig.
Tahun depan sahur di sini sambil nobar sih. Emang kalian pas sahur ada yang sambil nonton? Ada ya?
With 60 minutes played and just a deflected Doué shot on the scoreboard.
Terus sampai jam 4 kurang loh, Sin. Tenang aja.
But it should be remembered, and Liverpool will certainly remember, that in the first leg of the round of 16 tie, Hugo going into the last quarter of an hour, it was Paris 2, Chelsea 2. It finished 5-2. 15 minutes.
Gak langsung serangan Fajar.
It was 8-2.
You just got to switch off.
Emang sampai setengah
With a
5?
team like this, and I'm watching Liverpool's back three and their
Bukan yang 45
communication.
menit.
It's got to be absolutely spot on because of the movement of that Paris front line. You know, one of them will go in.
90 menit.
Dembele.
Kan dari jam 2. Tadi udah 45 menit. Nanti pas tidur gas nonton lagi gak sih? Gas. Kapan guys? Infokan.
João Neves. Vitinha.
Seneng banget aku di sini, aku berhasil masuk komunitas bola. Masuk grup komunitas bola tapi aku nggak tahu, jadi aku nanya-nanya aja.
A lovely ball. Hakimi. Good covering by Joe Gomez, not for the first time. Kirkes tried to cut this out and didn't.
Yeah, he's done that brilliantly, hasn't he?
Karena
Joe Gomez just coming
kalau nonton
across
sendiri nggak seru.
and just reading the situation,
Jadi harus
knows
nobar.
what's going to happen.
There's never been any doubts about Joe Gomez.
Ternyata itu
Quality as a
benefit
defender.
menjadi
Injury record really
member.
hampered him.
Bisa
Duo
nobar
with this
kapanpun.
latest corner.
Benefit menjadi fan. Bisa diajak nobar kapanpun. Malas Pilgrim gak ada Itali. Kenapa tuh gak adanya?
Vitinha.
Ada yang menarik perhatian kamu nggak pemainnya? Jujur dari tadi belum banyak beauty shotnya, belum banyak fokusnya. Kayak susah untuk melihat muka mereka.
Kvaratskhelia. Good persistence from Kirkes.
It's quite a tough role, isn't it, for those wing backs of Liverpool? They're expected to get back and make that back five when they don't have the ball and when they're trying to defend.
Oke, gila ini ada berapa
Support the attack.
berapa juta orang ya guys yang menonton secara live? Sampai nggak 1 juta orang?
João Neves.
Ribuan ya, belum 1 juta ya? Atau 1 juta?
Kvaratskhelia. How much harder, I mean physically harder, in terms of sapping your energy
60
to
ribu
play
lebih.
as Liverpool have tonight, mostly without the ball compared to with the ball.
Oh, kalau di stadium,
Is keeping switched on.
kalau di
It's like
stadium
constantly
iya nggak
you've
nyampe,
got to
tapi
try
kalau
and
yang
hold
streaming
the
itu loh
shape
guys.
and that constant communication, passing on players. You know, when you've got the ball, you always have that extra spring in your step, don't you?
And Liverpool have had the ball for just 30% of this game at the moment. Here's Hakimi.
Kalau yang di stadium
Dembele.
60.000. Iya, dia lapangannya gede banget guys. Lari satu lapangan aja udah berasa mau pingsan. Wah, mereka keren banget lari-lari dari sini ke situ.
That's a lovely ball.
Goal!
Goal!
Gol! PSG 2 kan? Nice! Aku menyaksikan gol langsung.
Great finish from a lovely through ball.
Siapa tadi yang ngegolin?
And the
Iya.
irrepressible Georgian
Siapa namanya? Bang siapa?
scores again. Paris 2.
Keren guys. Kalau udah ngegolin jadi keren.
First of all,
Ini yang tadi aku di searching guys.
it's a lovely
Uh,
pass that just
Keren,
allows them
Bang.
to get himself
Lihat-lihat
off
dicium
the
sama
ball.
teman-temannya guys.
It's just the way he doesn't rush. He just takes his time. And they pick the ball up here. He actually starts the move off, doesn't he? Then
Jago dia sih,
It's a
asik,
lovely
keren.
ball in between the two defenders, and he doesn't rush, takes his time. What a ball that is! It's absolutely brilliant.
Gimana cara bacanya guys? Kvaratskhelia.
As soon as there's a gap, you know, Gravenberch, you think he's put him off. No, absolutely not. He's got that strength.
Kvaratskhelia.
Then he's got that ability to just take it round the goalkeeper. He just makes it look so easy. What a player he is.
He could have gone down.
Itu kesukaan Cilia.
It would have been a penalty if he had. But he knew that he had the ability. And Paris now have the lead, which reflects
Panggilannya Lia apa gimana sih?
accurately their dominance of the game.
Oke. Maksudnya mirip sama Cilia gitu kan pronunciation-nya.
It takes a special player to make opposition defenders fall over without actually even touching the ball, and that's kind of what he did there.
Yeah, he's just so
Peluangnya cantik.
He's got that real turn of pace.
Ekitike with a flick on.
Let's go lagi.
Florian Wirtz. Liverpool's game plan may now change. They may now feel they need to score in the last quarter of this game. That's a dangerous policy, of course, potentially at the Parc des Princes. And I wonder whether we will soon see Mohamed Salah or Alexander Isak getting themselves ready, or maybe even both.
It was interesting, wasn't it? Slot saying before the game that now he's actually got players on the bench, impact players to bring on and change the game. So could be certainly an option for him.
Out.
Throwing to Paris. Isak hasn't played since the 20th of December.
Apakah sudah saatnya bilang goodbye Liverpool?
He's had a week of training and he feels he could get 20-25 minutes out of him. Well, if he wants to, now's the time. Or will it be Salah? Or will he decide to stick rather than twist? Szoboszlai to Milos Kerkez in a good position. The Kerkez cross. Nuno Mendes under a bit of pressure from Ekitike. And Konate is fouling Kvaratskhelia. Here's the pass.
Oh, it's just lovely, isn't it? It's just a weighted pass.
Wow!
Balance.
Ini gol lagi guys.
The way that he just rounds the goalkeeper.
Beneran gak sih?
It makes it look
Enggak ya?
so easy and it's so not.
Replay ya ternyata guys.
I think if you're a midfielder and you know you've got that quality in front of you, it helps, doesn't it? They both help each other. You know, the run helps the pass and vice versa.
Sorry terlalu semangat.
It's a dangerous 20 minutes now for Liverpool.
Well, do you stick or twist? I think that's
Katanya bahaya buat Liverpool. It's dangerous for Liverpool.
We know what Paris can do to teams.
Ooh.
I think he knew what he was doing. Zaire Emery for
Keren ya guys jersinya. Kalau menang.
Piling forward. Great ball. Zaire Emery. Konate's charge. Penalty
Ditendang
kick.
jauh. Kartu kuning lagi guys.
I don't think there's any review that's going to overturn this. It's a penalty.
Ngamuk.
Paris Saint-Germain, Ibrahima Konate sliding into Warren Zaire Emery.
It's just a superb move again from Paris.
Sayonara
You can see here
Liverpool.
Konate's completely the wrong side. It's a definite penalty. Comes through the player. to get the ball. He touches it there, but he
Parah banget disuruh tidur
Zaire
aja.
down before.
Padahal tadi dia
He
bercerita
brings it
tentang
down there, doesn't he? And then he
seberapa
gets the
cintanya
ball.
dengan Liverpool. Mana Zasu sayonara Liverpool.
The video assistant referee is asking Jose Maria Sanchez to go and have a look at this. Well, as you say,
Oh, dari tadi kalian tuh Ipul Liverpool. Aku kira tuh Ipul siapa sumpah dari tadi. Aku kira Ipul nama pemainnya.
Guy do as well.
Gak nyangka dari Liverpool jadi Ipul. Terlalu melokal.
well,
Berarti ini 20 menit lagi ya guys.
well, let's leave it to them.
Yeah, it's
Wuh.
tough call, isn't it?
There is contact on the leg there before he then manages to hook his right foot onto the ball. This is going to be a big, big call for the outcome of this tie. It's no penalty. Well, that's a massive moment in the game. And the yellow card has been rescinded. It remains 2-0.
That's a huge moment in the game. We've got to just go with the officials there, haven't we? You know, Canate will say it was a brilliant challenge, but I feel he's got to go
Wow.
through the player to get the ball, but massive for Liverpool, that.
And the first contact is very negligible, probably not enough for Zaire Emery to go to ground. Here is Milos Kerkez for Liverpool, and Florian Wirtz for
Ooh.
Liverpool. Oh, Vitinha stopped it and cleared it.
Senyum aja kayak
It's just
kayak
shift momentum in Liverpool's way
Oh.
now. They're just getting that decision.
siapa nih yang pakai ikat kepala nih?
Frustration from Paris.
Ih, kasihan banget Cilia.
Kerkez has cramp. Well, they have some big decisions to make. Sipke Hulshoff
Aduh, sakit
and
dia.
Arne Slot in
Aduh.
conversation.
Tolongin guys.
Desiree Doué
Gimana sih jadi penonton?
sorting out the cramp in Milos Kerkez's left leg. If you've been chasing Desiree Doué for an hour and 10 minutes, you'd have cramp too.
You absolutely would.
I'm using that as a plural use.
Atletico mau golin lagi sih, demi apa sih? Berapa sekarang jadinya?
I would certainly have cramp.
Barca 0, ATM 2. Waduh,
Here's Ekitike.
waduh Barca gimana nih?
Lee Kang-in is going to be coming on here for Luis Enrique, the trusted South Korean midfielder.
Nggak ikut-ikut ngerosting Barca, aku juga nggak ikut.
Without Barcola and without Fabian Ruiz, he doesn't quite have the options, Luis Enrique, from the bench.
Tim yang aku dukung menang semua, sombong amat. Ada orang Korea itu di PSG. Wow, siapa itu namanya?
Safanov, Marquinhos.
Lee Kang-in. Coba kita cari guys. Kemute.
Dembele.
Berarti kalau mereka ini, kalau mereka main buat tim lain, berarti mereka jarang pulang ke Korea dong. Who plays for PSG national team? Midfielder. Aku belum tahu sumpah guys. Posisi-posisi di sepak bola nanti aku akan pelajari lagi. Lahirnya 2001 ya.
Struggling.
Muda juga dong berarti.
Continue much longer.
Well, Robertson would be the obvious
Yeah.
replacement. Certainly
Mereka
bringing
latihan dari
back
umur berapa ya, guys?
to the final segment of the game. Alexis McAllister into
Seumuran lah sama aku. Heh,
Wirtz.
tak bilangin. Ibu negara kamu.
Ekitike is very much on his own and couldn't get around William Pacho.
Kok tiba-tiba banget nomor bola gini, Sin? Iya, aku mau mengasah skill bola aku.
Dembele, Hakimi making an
Di pool juga ada orang Asia, Sin, orang Jepang. Sebutkan namanya.
Well blocked. Konate. Here's Vitinha.
Kapten Endo? Nama aslinya Endo.
Dembele, as Liverpool look to protect that goal that could have kindly for the home side.
Lucu banget profile di Google-nya, senyum lebar. Oh, dia beda 10 tahun guys. Dia 1993 sama aku. Beda 10 tahun sama aku.
McAllister.
Japanese professional footballer Wataru Endo. Panggilannya siapa, Bang? Bang Endo.
Control it, Nuno Mendes.
Sesuai Jikonya, apa Jikonya?
Still seated and bibbed, Mohamed Salah.
Ya seumuran Ivan lah itu. Bukannya dia lebih muda ya,
Comes on,
si Endo.
not quite as attacking minded a player as Desiree Doué.
Doué's been brilliant, hasn't he? Obviously his goal was deflected, but just always
Endosan sama aku beda 17 tahun, Miss.
defensive duties as
Kamu
well.
lebih
But
tua
yeah, looks like more
maksudnya.
of a defensive minded substitution here.
Kirkes can barely get himself to the
Si gelandang Ipul kayak aku Endo. Kak Iqbal gak boleh gitu.
Desiree Doué, scorer of the first goal.
Lebih muda Duni. Kenapa nih ada keadaan di sini?
And Liverpool are going to make multiple substitutions.
Lagi cedera, Sin. Kenapa cederanya dia? Kasian banget. Udah pemain dari
Coming off Robertson.
negara lain, terus dia
Milos
cedera.
Kirkes has been done. Florian
Heung-min Son. Itu pemain mana tuh?
replaced by Cody Gakpo, the Netherlands international, and Alexander Isak
Son Heung-min gak sih?
onto the pitch for the first
Ya
time
sama aja sih.
before Christmas. For
Kok lucu banget dia kayak selalu tersenyum gitu mukanya.
as Kvaratskhelia runs in on Liverpool's goal.
Jujur kenapa muka dia kayak banyak diedit sama artis K-pop ya? Apa dia suka K-pop?
Dembele. And Liverpool are a little bit fortunate to get away with that. The other change they've made, that's
Doi anak baik, Sin.
come on as well for Dominic Szoboszlai.
Slow cortisol dia.
Yeah, nearly caught Liverpool.
Artis K-pop pada admire dia. Woo!
Themselves into position. Wondered if they might have tweaked the formation, but still looks like that back five.
Jujur ini kayak banyak
So it was a
banyak
quadruple
berita.
change. Isak for Ekitike, Gakpo for
Who is Song Heung-min's girlfriend?
Robertson.
Kocak asli.
Which makes sense. Tired legs, tired mind.
Jujur aku udah agak ngantuk lagi, guys.
Do a lot of work off the ball. Just fresh
Aku takut
legs
aku
and
tertidur sebelum selesai matchnya.
Isak's probably got about this amount of time in him.
Tahan 15 menit lagi. Tapi ini udah ketahuan gak sih guys pemenangnya siapa?
William Pacho.
Udah dua, guys.
Bet that Luis Enrique's
Siapa tahu jadi 2-2. Ah emang iya Om Surya.
question or two about
Emang
that penalty
bisa.
decision. I don't want to second guess his reaction, but I would imagine he thinks it was a penalty.
Yeah, I think you might agree with us, do you?
And I would imagine that Arne Slot will say it wasn't. Most importantly, Carlos Del Cerro Grande, the video assistant referee, said it wasn't. Vitinha for Zaire Emery, 10 minutes to go. Dembele,
Belum tentu 2-0 bisa jadi 5-0.
Robertson's forward ball spinning off Lee
Kayak Jise,
Headed
kamu
away by Ryan
jahat tapi
Minutes plus
jujur.
added time to go. That will feel like a long time from Liverpool's point of view.
Babak belur Ipul. Ya sabar ya fans Ipul. Guys, jujur tidak menyangka hasilnya.
Vitinha, William Pacho,
Kemarin habis kalah 4-0, siapa? Ipul udah kalah kemarin. Overall seru gak nonton bola?
nice ball.
Sebenarnya seru sih, tapi aku belum terlalu ngerti ya.
Dembele creating space by not running.
Belum terlalu ngerti. Kayak
Dembele,
komen-komennya gitu loh. Aku harus bisa komen biar bisa jadi komentator.
Dembele. And behind for a corner kick, Mamardashvili has made two.
Lebih ke ngantuk itu juga iya.
Yeah, and another really important save there from Mamardashvili. It was far too easy on that left-hand side though for Paris, where Kanate and Frimpong just don't track the runner. When it comes in, when it gets to that position there, probably sees it a little bit late as well, but manages to get down well.
Interesting replay there, suggesting that maybe the ball had actually gone out of play. So, if that was the case and the ball had gone into the back of the net, the goal would have been ruled out. Liverpool would have a goal kick. Instead, they have a corner to defend, which Kvaratskhelia heads off target. Well, they've certainly grafted. They're going to have to be outstanding in the second leg, Liverpool, if it does stay 2-0. It would be foolish to write Liverpool off at Anfield, but you feel that if Paris can score a third goal in this first leg without reply, then that really might be too much. I mean, I know we thought that Barcelona, Liverpool in that semi-final all those years ago. I know, but
Certainly been some memorable nights, hasn't there, at Anfield? I think the fans will create and generate some noise, but it's going to be tough against this Paris side.
Safanov to Hakimi, Vitinha for Marquinhos. Well, Luis Enrique won't feel they're through if it's 2-0, that's for sure. But to turn around a 2-goal deficit against Paris, even at Anfield, you feel it's going to have to be arguably maybe Liverpool's best performance of the season to do that.
Yeah, and
Against this opposition.
Yeah, definitely, and they've got to play with the sort of intensity that we saw them against the likes of Galatasaray and maybe a couple of other times this season. They just can't be ponderous on the ball. They've showed it a couple of times where they've done that, and Paris have been on them.
But they may not be done yet. The champions of Europe. Here goes Kvaratskhelia cutting inside Frimpong. Van Dijk is there. Liverpool want this 5.5 minutes plus added time to eke away without anything much happening. Paris want exactly the opposite. That actually helps Liverpool out, that little shove by Kvaratskhelia. Into the last 5, Paris 2, Liverpool 0. There was one, I think it was in a Winners' Cup match between these two sides, a semi-final if I'm not mistaken, when Liverpool lost 3-0 here in the first leg. nearly turned it around, won 2-0 at Anfield in the second. Famous Anfield nights against French opposition include a comeback win over Auxerre, and most famously of all, before you were born, I'm sure, soon, 1977, Saint-Etienne were beaten at Anfield. The great Saint-Etienne side of Dominique Rocheteau, who beat Liverpool in the first game 1-0 in a quarter-final in the old European Cup, overturned at Anfield 3-1. Liverpool went on to lift the trophy. It's a Liverpool throw, Joe Gomez, he's got some real distance on that. Nuno Mendes got his head on it though, Clarence Scalia away. Well, Frimpong misjudged that badly. Dembele here for Paris, Lee to his right-hand side. Lee Kang in here. And Dembele, oh, and he's hit the woodwork. Well, it is 2-0 to Paris Saint-Germain, but they've had the chances to have put this tie to bed.
Oh, they have. It could have been so many more, and often it's come from mistakes from Liverpool. This time it's Frimpong completely misjudging the header, and the way that they go from back to front so quickly, it's so impressive. Dembele there, again just looking for that near post, but just hits the post, but they have had so many opportunities.
Lucas Hernandez coming on, and Dembele's last action was to lash that ball against the upright. Obviously not a straight positional switch with Hernandez, who was the Champions League winner, not only with Paris last season, but with Bayern 6 years ago, coming on. Isak. Ticket flicked onto Alexander Isak as it went out of play, throw into the home side. Well, at least 3 big chances which Mamardashvili saved due to uncharacteristically poor finishing. Here's Hakimi in behind Van Dijk. Achraf Hakimi, and is this? Oh my goodness me! Well, it really should have been another goal. Kvaratskhelia sees his shot blocked, and another let off for Liverpool. Nuno Mendes looks certain to score. Here's Hakimi, blocked by Van Dijk. Between these two last season, when it could have been 4 or 5 to Paris, and Liverpool actually won 1-0. It could have been 4 or 5 tonight, no question.
Oh, absolutely could have. And Hakimi does brilliant. It's fullback to fullback, isn't it? Hakimi little 1-2 and plays it to Dembele. It's just that touch there. His first touch is good. It's that touch there where it hits his other leg and just allows Van Dijk to get a toe on it. Again, great opportunity to have a shot. Could he have hit it first time even?
Liverpool are about to bring on young midfielder Trey Nioni. And Frimpong is making way. Nioni is only 18 years of age. Comes on for his 10th substitute appearance in all competitions this season.
He's very highly thought of, isn't he, at Liverpool, and what a great experience for the young man. Looks like Curtis Jones has gone over onto that right-hand side.
Nioni is a former England under-17 international, but actually also qualifies for Zimbabwe, from where his parents hail. Here's Vitinha, William Pacho. Nuno Mendes, really crucial that Liverpool don't concede again. What a run from the left back. Did he get a little push in the back? He certainly says he did. Pinged away to Robertson. Well, there is a check here. Oh, Kanate, outstretched hand into the small of the back, or the ribs of Nuno Mendes. There is a check ongoing from Carlos Del Cerro Grande here.
Jujur udah tidur dikit.
And it's no penalty again.
Banyak ya.
I thought it was a push in the back as Mendes was just about to hit it. Just that little shove. You know, Kanate's completely outpaced by him. I thought that was a penalty myself. Maybe they just thought it wasn't enough to overturn what the referee had said.
Sampai kita mention loh. Mention.
We know what Liverpool are thinking now.
Emang nyenyak bikin nyenyak suara bola. Jujur iya banget guys. Karena kayak dimanapun tuh diputar gitu loh guys. Jadi walaupun kayak kita nggak nonton, tapi kalau ada background bola tuh kayak berasa back sound aja gitu.
Ryan Gravenberg. Here is Cody Gakpo. Now it's Curtis Jones. Vitinha away. That will spin to Robertson. And wary of the spin, Robertson sends it back to Mamardashvili.
Ini belum kelar, ini berapa menit lagi ya guys ya? Oh, plus 3 menit nih maksudnya.
Cody Gakpo.
Skornya gak berubah sih pas kamu tidur bener juga.
The referee is not giving a free kick for that. McAllister
Go
can't
get
believe
some
it. He
rest.
felt
Bentar lagi ya.
earlier in the game he might have won a
Bentar
free
lagi
kick
abis
right
itu
on the
tidur
edge of the
deh.
area. Robertson with a forward ball. Safanov came and took it really well.
Gain of SR-nya jam 7 tidak separah itu kawan.
Well, Luis Enrique's side.
This match was brought to you by Mastercard.
Turn that around.
Ya, semua kemenangan
Udah saya.
pemirsa oleh PSG,
Lah.
di mana dua bintang mereka Doi dan juga Kvaratskhelia
Wuhuu. Keren.
berharga tentunya bagi PSG untuk leg kedua nanti menghadapi Liverpool di
Leg kedua kapan guys?
Anda lihat memang Kvaratskhelia menjadi salah satu pemain yang luar biasa penampilannya di
Mingdep.
ini bagi PSG, Bung Binder.
Iya betul, seharusnya Quaresma bisa mencetak 2 gol ya, tapi memang form dari Mamardashvili di pertandingan dini hari
Tapi
ini luar
line
biasa.
up-nya harus sama nggak guys
Bahkan
yang
dia bisa melakukan sampai
yang
5 saves ya, yang
maju?
agar Liverpool tidak kalah dengan skor yang
Enggak
lebih
ya,
telak
oke.
lagi.
Ya, Bung Winder,
Ya.
ini sedikit saja.
Oke.
Ada 18 shot dari PSG, sementara Liverpool hanya 3.
Tergantung
6
pelatih.
diantara dari PSG itu on target, sementara Liverpool no on target.
Luar biasa ya, dan saya agak bingung dengan Arne Slot yang menunggu sampai melewati menit 75 baru melakukan
Sama line
begitu
up
banyak pergantian pemain.
JKT.
Padahal ketika Liverpool sulit create chances, harusnya
Oke guys, kalau gitu
Marco Salah sudah
aku akan bacakan
tapi karena terlalu lama mereka masuk, maka kita lihat Liverpool
podium.
mereka tidak bisa membentuk
Makasih ya, maaf ya tadi nggak kebaca ya.
mereka beruntung
Makasih
kalah
gift.
2-0. Bahkan
Makasih Kak Filza, makasih Kak Hasulnya, Anindya, makasih Kak Ivan. Oke,
peluang bisa saja tadi mencetak gol lebih,
aku akan membacakan.
2-0 ini juga bukan merupakan akhir bagi Liverpool karena masih ada leg kedua dan kebetulan mereka akan bermain di kandang mereka sendiri. Dan kita tahu,
Membacakan live
Liverpool
ranking
sebelumnya sudah punya sejarah.
dari yang
Bahkan
ke-10 ada
pernah kalah dengan skor
Kak
lebih.
Irfan, terima kasih. Ke-9 ada Kak Rais anak baik, terima kasih. Kenapa ada Kak Adi Wijaya? Kita juga ada Kak Emi Furai, terima kasih. Kelima ada Bang Ara, makasih ya. Kelima ada Kak Denis, makasih banyak. Keempat ada Kak Cikoy, terima kasih. Ketiga ada Kak Hus, keren, naik level lagi nih di sini. Kedua ada Kak Muhammad Iqbal, makasih ya. Dan yang pertama ada Kak Hasrulnya Anindya, makasih Kak Hasrulnya Anin.
Tapi dia bisa langsung nyetel dengan permainan. Jadi saya melihat
Keren effortnya, nice move, asik.
dengan garis pertahanan yang tinggi, kurung para pemain Liverpool.
Nanti kita nobar lagi ya, semoga lebih seru ya.
Dan ketika mereka turun ke belakang,
Oke,
lihat bahwa para pemain PSG
akan aku
sudah
PM
menambah
nanti
counter.
keseruan nobar hari ini. Dadah.
Bagaimana Paco, saya juga sempat membahas
Aku keluar dulu ya. Bye-bye. Terima kasih semuanya yang udah temenin aku.
lagi yang tidak bisa kita lupakan.
Bye.